Do you know I am going to Acapulco? I will be there in only a few weeks. I will have a great time. I am planning to tour the whole city for 2 weeks, Bozy. By the way, you were there 1 year ago. Your tour guide can make or break your vacation, you know. Do you have any suggestions for me and my boyfriend?
Of course I do, Imena, and the very best you can do is looking for www.acapulcotourguides.com in internet. Get in touch with them and I assure you, they will make of or your vacation in Acapulco a referral of your trip to Mexico. My family and I have used Acapulco tour guides for already 3 consecutive years and they have been always great. They have raving reviews in TripAdvisor and in Cruise Critic. They will get you great value for every dollar. They are safe, reliable and insured.